Well, you're an absolute hypocrite after what you did and what you said to former Senator Maria Cahill. And what you did and didn't do in respect of safe houses, on safe houses this side of the border, where sexual abuse was conducted by members of your organisation on young men. You are an absolute hypocrite. Absolutely hypocrite. Now, let me tell you something, Deputy Adams. If you want to play politics, with an issue that is so sensitive and so personal that it goes to the very heart of the public soul of Ireland, then do so. But I don't agree with you, because 4 days after this minister got 2 protected disclosures about these very serious issues, she sent that to an eminent judge to examine them. And he carried out his analysis and he said, I cannot determine the truth here. What you need to do is set up a commission of investigation. And the government followed his recommendation to the letter in respect of the terms of reference and the way that should be conducted. Because it is, Deputy Adams, not about running away, but about facing the issue here, which is to determine the truth. Was there or was there not a deliberate smear against Sergeant McCabe and his family by senior members of the Garda?
I want to raise to your bluster, to your diversions, to your distractions. The fact is, Taoiseach, on your watch, all of these malicious accusations and allegations and malpractice, all of that happened. And every single proposition put forward by Sinn Féin to you to deal with it, to patronise the process, to radically reform and Garda Síochána, to have transparency, you dismissed it all. So, Aitnian, Kirog, Ella.